one who's keeping it cool. I am made to be free.
The sunset is awesome.
I am made to be free.
The sunsets over here on the west coast are breathtaking. Absolutely amazing. So, a review on this gimbal. This is my first time actually using it. It seems to be pretty stable. It took me a moment to figure out the modes. It starts off automatically in pan following mode, which is pretty cool. And then you can also put it on like where you control it with the joystick, which I also like that when I'm trying to get different shots of the home, or if I'm trying to get the skateboard. And then it's got like this triple click that will turn it around. So check this out, I'm on the board, I'm chilling, and then I'm gonna boom, and then it just goes. I mean, so smooth, so seamless. I highly recommend this product. So Redondo Beach is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna be showing you a couple properties today. Take a look at the first one. Here it is. And this kitchen opens up to this beautiful, beautiful backyard. I absolutely love it. Check it out. A lot of natural light inside this master bedroom. A lot of beautiful large windows, which just really opens it up. I love the tall ceilings, beautiful balcony, absolutely gorgeous. I really like it. It's really great. Another exit to the balcony there, which is awesome. All right, guys, well, that about wraps it up for this one. Very nice home here. It was a beautiful property. Let's go check out the second one. I heard a lot of great things about it, so let's see what it looks like. Here's a look at a home here in Redondo Beach. I've had a lot of people talking about this beautiful home. Right away, you just notice all the beautiful fixtures and finishes in this home. It's absolutely gorgeous. Got a nice open area, plenty of grassy places to put your plants and let the dogs run around. So as we go up the stairs, this home just opens up to so much natural light. It's just amazing. Take a look. Nice ocean view right here at the top level. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. I've got to get home. Jacqui's taking me to a yoga class. I'm already running a bit behind, but I hope you guys have a great week. I'll be uploading some more beautiful properties soon. Take care.